Good evening students, again welcome back to my channel City. So in this video we are going to discuss about one another important update regarding 23rd October 2021, and in this video we are going to discuss about the complete prediction. I'm getting frequent requests to update the prediction videos because the exam slots are booking very fast and we can't able to wait for more time to book for the test. That's why. So in this video we are going to see about the academic and general module test in detail under IDP India and also British Council Global. So let's start with our video from listening module about academic and general module. So before starting, I just want to make you remember regarding your exam slots. Try to book your seats 1 month before. Then only you will get the time slots. Okay. Anyway, in part 1, you will hear a telephonic conversation, and this time you will get a fill-up type of question, and the word limit will be up to 2 words and or a number. So you can use words or number or both in together. So part 1 will be easy one. And moving on to part 2, you can expect short MCQs along with selection of letter type of question. They will give one question along with 5 options and you want to select any 2 as per their instruction. So this part also will be an easy one. Moving on to part 3, you can expect the questions like large MCQs along with match the information type of question. That means they will give options and you want to cross accordingly. So this part 3 will be little bit tricky and the audio will be little bit fast. So you need to adjust your background speed if you are practicing in YouTube means. So try to adjust to 1.25x. Okay. Then regarding part 4, you will hear a monologue and question category will be fill up type of question, that also one word only. So overall your listening section will be easy to moderate level. So try to practice well. Go through all the updated listening materials in YouTube. Okay, regarding reading, first we'll see about the academic module. In passage 1, you will get to the questions like fill up type of question, that will be a short not completion, that also up to 2 words. Then along with that, true false not given type of question 2. So this passage 1 will be easy to moderate level. Then regarding passage 2, you will get to the questions like match the information, that will be which paragraph contain those information, like that. They will give information and you want to cross with paragraph A, B, C, D, like that. Along with that, fill up type of question, that will be a short not completion, that also one word only. Along with that, MCQs with 4 options. This passage 2 will be in moderate level. Regarding passage 3, you will get the questions like match the information again. That means this time they will give the information like list of heading. You want to cross appropriate heading for each paragraph. That means your long passage will be divided into different paragraph and you want to give heading for each paragraph. Then along with that, selection of letters, they will give 5 options for one question and you want to select any 2 from that. Along with that, yes, no, not given type of question 2. But this passage 3 will be in easy to moderate level. So overall, your reading section will be in easy to moderate level. So try to practice well. Try to move on with the updated materials. You can practice with the Makar materials too. Nowadays, 1 or 2 passages are coming from Makar materials. So you can just practice with that too. Then regarding the general module reading, in section 1, you will get to the questions like match the information, that will be in the form of list of heading, and along with that, true, false, not given type of question to you. This section will be an easy one. Moving on to section 2, you will get to the questions like short answer questions, that means direct question, and they will give the instruction like no more than 3 words. Along with that, fill up type of question, that will be a short not completion up to 2 words, and along with that, MCQs with 4 options. So this section will be easy to moderate level. And regarding the last section, section 3, you will get a long passage and the question category will be selection of letters. They will give 5 options and you want to select any 2 from that. Along with that, fill up type of question, that will be a short summary completion, that also one word only. And along with that, true, false, not given type of question again. So overall, your reading section will be an easy one. So try to practice at least one set of reading a day, and the reading challenge is going on in our Facebook page, so you can just go through that. Now regarding the writing task 1 of academic, this time you can expect bar chart, table, pie charts or the combination of any 2, and give concentration towards process diagram also. What all are the time connectors you can able to write when you are writing this process diagram means. Okay, so try to practice with that too. So for task 1, we are just going through the master classes. So you can just check out with the playlist for that. Then regarding the task 2 essays, you can expect opinion type essay. They will ask you in any form, discussion with opinion type essay, and also outweigh type of question. That means advantage, outweigh, disadvantage, or vice versa. So in case of outweigh type of question, you need to give third body paragraph 2. Okay, in which side you are giving importance. For that you need to arrange 2 different body paragraph. So try to concentrate on that. Then regarding the general module writing, in task 1 there is a chance to get informal letter. So try to study some phrasal verb and all, because in informal letter you can able to use the short forms, phrasal verb and all. Okay, then in task 2 you can expect opinion type essay or else discussion type essay. They will ask you in any different form. So these 2 category you want to concentrate more on. So in case of essays, be thorough with the updated structure, how to arrange the introduction, body paragraph, and also about the conclusion. And please don't write any new information in conclusion. Conclusion in the sense you need to restate the opinion and also the main points. That's all. Okay, then regarding the essay topics for both academic and general module, so you can just prepare with these topics, try to collect some points in general. Okay, the first topic is arts or related to culture, tradition, art forms and all. Then second one, media related, TV, radio, social media platforms and also newspaper. Then work, business or marketing related questions. Under this only they will ask about these advertisements and all. Then next one, transportation and tourism related questions. Then technology, that may be communication technology or information technology. Like they will ask about books, libraries, sources, about computer, internet, laptop, mobile phone related questions. Then related to health and exercise related questions. Next one, education, online and offline educational platforms, about the school uniform, about the peer group influence, teachers influence, role of teachers and parents, like that question also you can expect under education. The next one, environmental problems, that may be over exploitation of resources or related to waste management. Okay, pollution related questions. Next one, government role and economy, about the government funding and the economy related questions. Then about the world issues, that may be related to overpopulation, globalization or global warming or urbanization and consumerism or materialism, we can say. These all things will coming under world issues or social issues. So try to collect some points in general which can be applicable for all the type of essays. I will prepare one another video regarding the question type which you can prepare under each category, that means under each topic. Then it will be more easy for you. I will prepare with that as soon as possible. Okay, so try to concentrate on these topics in general. So all the very best for your IELTS test. And regarding the speaking cue cards, we just published the important cue cards for this month, that means for October. So try to prepare with that too. You will get any one out of that. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby if you want to get updations means. And regarding the admission for online IELTS class, it's open now, so you can contact for that. So stay tuned and God bless you all.